What's up, Soul Squad? It is Saturday morning. Welcome to my kitchen. What do you guys cook on a Saturday morning? Something quick and easy, I hope, just to get the kids fed. Well, I think somebody heard me talk about this in one of my grocery vlogs a long time ago, how I love Spam. So I'm going to show you a quick Spam breakfast that we cook here in my home, and I love it. I think my kids love it because they eat it. So I got some water boiling here, and the salt is boiling really, really well. And I cut up some potatoes, like 2 large potatoes, any size. They are not too small. So what you're going to do is that you're going to place these potatoes in this water, for 7-8 minutes until they get a little bit tender. And you know what? If you could have smaller that, a good 4 or 5 minutes. For these potatoes, the size that I have, I'm going to do 5 minutes on this raging boiling water. And once they get soft, I'm popping it in there. And these like 2 big giant Idaho potatoes that I got from the store. And I'm going to cut up my Spam. Guys, wait till you see this breakfast come together. You're going to be like, oh yeah, with some toast and butter and strawberry jam. Oh my God. A good Saturday morning breakfast for me. What about you guys? So yeah, my potatoes been washed off and everything, guys. They just been sitting here waiting to go in this boiling water. So they're in the boiling water. I'm going to let this boil for about 5 to 6 minutes so they get a little bit tender. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that, with the Spam and the potatoes. We'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. My potatoes are done. I let them boil for about 10 minutes till they got to the way I want them. I didn't want them mushy, but I wanted them fork tender so that I could do a quick fry on the stove. I got some, always about to mess up. I got some vegetable oil, not that much, cooking right here with my potatoes. Yes. And we're going to go in. I'm going to season these potatoes. I'm not going to use any type of salt on them because your Spam is kind of salty. Even though I did get low sodium Spam, they got turkey Spam, low sodium Spam, regular Spam. I got low sodium Spam. But I'm going to put some pepper. Can't go wrong with no pepper, guys. On my potatoes. Remember, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. As much pepper as you like. My signature. I gotta have me some parsley flakes, guys. As much as you like. You gotta make the potatoes flavorful. Some garlic powder. Good potato, y'all. I'm telling you. I can't tell you how much seasoning. Once you taste it and eat it, if it needs some more, then you put some more. Ooh, that's a lot of onion powder, but that's okay. And even if you want onions, throw some onions up in here. I'm going to let that just do what it do, just like that. Now, while that's on high, because I'm on my little thing, I'm going to cut up my Spam. And this is going to cut the Spam up. Ooh. Man, I don't care what y'all say. I love me some Spam. And I'm just going to cut it up. And what I'm going to do is move to the side like this. This is going to dice it. Just in chunks. Just like that. And as soon as my potatoes get halfway done, which is not going to take long, I'm going to throw the Spam up in there. So I wanted to cook with the potatoes. And it's up to you how thick you want your Spam, how thick, how many big as a chunks you want. It's up to you guys. See that? I got a whole family, so I'm using a whole can. And to store this, if you don't use a whole can of this Spam, guys, just put it in a sandwich bag or something and store it in your refrigerator. The potatoes smell so good. Yeah. I'm going to have some toast and jelly with this. Can't tell me nothing. I got the horses. I like that song. Can't tell me nothing. Your family will love it. I've been doing this, mixing spam and eggs and stuff up forever. I don't even know what you want to call it. My spam egg breakfast casserole? That's what we gonna call it, cameraman? Okay. My spam eggs breakfast casserole. And again, you could just boost it up. Again, add in some onions and some peppers and stuff. Man, you can take spam to a whole different level. Look at my spam. All diced. Let me get my, what's that thing called? My spoon. Let me get my wooden spoon. We're going to stir these potatoes up. I'm going to let them get a little bit crispy. Then I'm going to throw in the spam so the spam can finish cooking with them and let it get crispy. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, at this point, my potatoes is how I want them. Look at them. Nice and crispy. Yeah, I switched pots up. So I need a bigger pan. And you don't want to use no more than like 1/4 cup of oil when you do your potatoes because you want them to get crispy. You don't want them like be submerged in oil. I had just a teeny bit too much. I did dump out because I wasn't getting that effect that I wanted. But yeah, just a little bit of oil. I'm going in. I move all my potatoes to the side right here because they're cooking how I want. I'm going in and put my spam right on in there. Yeah, this is a whole can of spam, guys. And let that spam hit the bottom of the pan. And then at this point, you want the spam to crisp up. And while your spam crisping up, while your spam is doing what it needs to do, all that's still working together, hand me that bowl right there. How many eggs to take? I'm just about 6. I got a lot. So, take your bowl, do your eggs, and as far as the cheese, guys, you can do any type of cheese you want, like a shredded cheese. You know what amp this up a lot better? I like that Mexican shredded cheese. Oh my God, I ain't had none. Get your hand on some Mexican shredded cheese. Chop that with that egg and Mexican shredded cheese. Can't tell nobody nothing. Why I keep going back? Can nobody tell me nothing? Why I keep going back to that song? Because that line is in there, I don't know. Oh. So I think I use more than 6. Because I'm talking, y'all got to use more than 6 eggs. Okay. So we're going to get this all whipped up and fluffy. And look at this thing. Tell me you can't have spam for breakfast, okay? Just let that spam sit in the center. Once you put some potatoes to the side, let that spam sit in the center on a medium-high heat because you want that spam a little crispy too. And then we're going to do with the eggs. I already tasted one of these potatoes. They on point. The flavor is there. Everything I needed. If you ain't never had spam for breakfast, tell them SoulfulT showed you how. Because this right here is going to be a hit or winner in your kitchen. What's a hit or winner dinner? I heard somebody say that before. Like, a hit or winner. Well, anyway, we'll be back. Okay, guys, look at this. This is just how I want it. It is nice. It is done. A good Saturday morning breakfast. That going right there. I'm sticking this right here. So I'm making my egg. Put a little butter in the pan. Let that butter get hot in that pan. And I'm going to make my egg. And we're going to put this breakfast. Do you need to see me make an egg? Do you need to see me make an egg? I don't know. We got to let this get nice and hot. I know that much. Then I'm going to make the egg. Come back and show you how I put it all together on the plate. That's it. Top of my cheese. Hey guys, my eggs is coming to the way I like them. At this point, you can put your cheese in. See, the eggs are still cooking. They're still kind of soft, nice and yellow. If you have shredded cheese, and look, I'm keeping it what it is. I got some sliced cheese. I'm throwing up in here. Throwing little parsley flakes up in here. Make your eggs look pretty. It's about presentation, people. A little bit of pepper. Remember, I love pepper. And just do it, twist them eggs around. And let that cheese, look at that cheese starting to melt. Mmm. Can't tell me nothing. There we go again. I got the horses in the I don't know why. This video must be aimed towards that song or something. I just don't know. I just don't know. But guess what? My eggs is ready. And we're going to plate this food. I'm going to show you how we plate it. Oh, let's move the cheese out the way. You got your potatoes and Spam right in the center of the plate. My kids love this with some toast and jelly, guys. Right in the center of that plate. And how much you give your family is up to you. Got my cheesy eggs right here. How much you give your family is up to you. A little bit more parsley. Bam. Put some toast on the side. Do y'all want me to put my toast on the side or what? Or you just want it just there it is like that? What you think, cameraman? You need to put the toast right there? Or there it is like that? All right. We about to pull out the toaster. Come back. Toast gonna be right there. Okay, guys. I made the toast. Top with your favorite preserve when you make your toast. Have some ready spreadable butter. Guys, this is my breakfast. This is a Saturday morning breakfast. Your family will love Spam, eggs, and potatoes, guys. But do it your way. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Available at Teespring. Oh yeah, and if you want to get my flour, it is now available at SoulfulT@gmail.com. Email me for more information. We can tell you how to get that flour. Guys, until next time, thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and telling your friends.